How to remove floating home button on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Accessibility option and tap on it. Accessibility helps you control your phone more easily and provide equal opportunities for everyone. Here, scroll down and tap on Touch. On the Touch Settings page, tap on AssistiveTouch at the very top. AssistiveTouch adds a virtual home button on your screen which you can move around to any location. Now, turn off the AssistiveTouch switch at the top as shown. The virtual home button has now been successfully removed from your screen. Following these steps, you can easily remove floating home button on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.